Hello everybody, Laura here. So today I have another Pick 5 process video for you guys, and I've titled it Shine. So I am picking out 5, I've taken all of the things I have in my craft space and a lot of different techniques, and I've wrote everything down and put them in this little bag, and I just pick out 5 and then try to create a project with it. I've included on the screen the 5 pieces that I picked out, which was add bling, add black modeling paste, add embellishments, use glitter paint, and use metallic luster. So this particular process, these are some of the things where it's like you pick them out and you're almost like, I started working on the project and I almost wanted to like do a redraw because trying to put these things together and for it to come out as a good project, you never know. But I went on ahead and kept going, and the end result is nice. It's really not one of my favorites, but I did go on ahead and complete and stick with it. So what I decided to do is I took a piece of watercolor paper and I added gesso to it, and I'm using the Craft Twinkles from DecoArt glitter paint, and this is in, I believe, sparkling pink. And I painted the entire background with the glitter paint. And then this is the Silver Spark metallic luster, also from DecoArt. And you can see here, I've had it for a while, so it got a little hard. So all I had to do was just add some water to it and mix it up, and it is just ready to go. So I'm using a Heidi Swapp stencil, and I'm adding some stars to the background. And, excuse me, and so just kept on with this project, and I had to do quite a bit of editing because I found myself pausing. I just happened to have been watching American Horror Story on the TV at the same time. So I had to do some editing because I realized that I paused several times. So maybe it's not a good thing to watch a very intriguing television show while I'm crafting. So to add the black modeling paste, and this is from the DecoArt Media line. And I'm going to use a stencil that is also from DecoArt, and I will leave a link in the description box below where you can find all of these DecoArt products. I really love using them. So far, all of the products that I have from DecoArt, I have been completely satisfied with all of them. I don't have complaints from any of them. So I'm just adding some of the black modeling paste with this chevron stencil, and I'm going to add it to the top and the bottom. And I messed up a little bit on that area on the top, but it's okay. It's not that noticeable. So when it comes to the embellishments, I took a couple of die cut pieces that I have from the what is it? Bella Rouge ephemera die cut pack. So I chose out the 2 unicorns and this little embellishment that says something and then shine. So that's where I got the title for Shine. And I'm going to add some foam behind that just to make it pop up from the page, add some dimension. And I really love these unicorns, but I've had this ephemera pack for a very long time, and I just find it hard to use the unicorns on my scrapbook layouts. And so I decided I really wanted to use them and put them in one of my projects. So I chose to put them on here. And I've got one that is more of a cardstock, and then the other unicorn is a acetate piece. And there you can see that the modeling paste wasn't completely dry when I set the unicorn there, so I've got to clean it up. And that's the great thing with acetate, is that you can just wipe it off. And I wanted to stick the unicorn down, but I didn't want to add glue to the back or adhesive, because you can see that usually through the acetate, and even though I was putting it on the modeling paste, I decided I was going to use one of the brads that I recently got from, I believe it's the Emoji Love collection. And it's just a small brad that's pink with silver around it. So I'm going to stick the unicorn on that way. And then I've just taken some of these silver bling pieces. I'm not sure, I think that says Cloud9 Designs possibly. I've had those in my stash for a while. So I'm just going to stick the unicorn on and then go around the outside with some black archival ink and call it done. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this process. Sometimes you pick out these pick 5 and you really don't know what you're going to do, but maybe just stick with it and see what you come up with, and hopefully it'll turn out alright. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.